Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today we have another Convoy thrower flashlight. It's L21B with tiny OSRAM LED. I also added some photos how it looks, and as always we'll put a link to video description where you can find it. After those photos you'll see the color temperature measurements and also PWM. So today we have Convoy flashlight. It's L21B, it's a thrower, and I'm comparing it to another Convoy flashlight, also with OSRAM LED. It's Convoy L21A. Just this LED is a bit bigger in size, in diameter, and a bit stronger. Well, this one is a tiny one and has about 800 lumens. So the design is as you see. We have a big head. Everything is made from aluminum. It's quite light. Smooth, deep reflector. Inside you can see the OSRAM LED. And it came already with lanyard. It has only 2 holes for attaching it. And as always you can unscrew from 2 sides. So spring here. In all my tests I used Samsung 40T 21700 battery. This flashlight uses only one. And here we also have the spring. Nice to see that. Tube is very light, very thin. Sometimes a bit hard to match threads, but threads are smooth, lubricated, and everything else is fine. It uses tail cap reverse switch, like in most Convoys. One click to turn on, one click to turn off. After you turn on, light press, switches modes. And this one uses 12 groups, and I already did the video with this flashlight. This also has 12 groups. So I'll put link here in the corner where you can find my other review and see how to change groups, how to choose them, and how to switch modes. So, short look at the flashlight. It's much lighter than L21A, and the head does not have fins to cool it. It gets quite hot in a short time. So that's it about this. Now let's move to the nighttime shots, later runtime graphs. Hope you enjoyed those nighttime shots. Now let's take a look at runtime graphs. Here we see that as most convoys, this flashlight has brightness stabilization, and the dip at the end, in my opinion, is because of the flashlight having cutoff voltage at 2.6 volts. So as the LED is about 3 volts, you get the dip after the voltage drops below 3. And in this graph, you can see that you can access turbo more than once if you cool the flashlight. Now my thoughts about this flashlight. I think it's great if you need very long range searchlight. It does the job. And about the design, L21B, it's compact, but it comes with disadvantage that it gets hot very quickly, because the surface area of the metal around the head is quite thin, and after 3-4 minutes of turbo it gets hot and steps down. If you take L21A, it has much more surface area and does not get hot so quick. So I like both designs, just it depends on you what you choose. Anything else, I did not find any problems with this flashlight. I like this tail switch, nothing wrong with it. Compact flashlight, good for money you pay, and I don't think that you can find anything similar for that price. Flashlights from other manufacturers cost almost twice as much, and I think that this flashlight is very nice. So if you don't need to lit the area in front of you and you just need a tiny spot, like for example 300-400 meters away, it's perfect. And battery life is quite good. Also, very important thing that this flashlight, as most convoys I reviewed, has stabilization of the brightness. So yeah, I think that this flashlight is very nice and worth its price. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and see you next time in the next review. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.